TCC's Regional Automotive Center lets you turn your hobby into your career. With 9 classrooms and 15 instructional labs focusing on everything from simple engine systems to complex powertrains and electronics, there's no better place than TCC to train for in-demand positions in the automotive, diesel, collision, and marine fields. And with TCC's short-term programs, you can get the core skills you need to land a job fast while continuing to work towards a more advanced degree. You can also take advantage of our partnerships with industry-leading employers like Honda, Volvo Penta, Toyota, Ford, and more to get real-world work experience to add to your resume. So if you want the keys to getting your future started, learn more about our Regional Automotive Center at tcc.edu. Classes are enrolling now. Visit tcc.edu today.